Hello, this is Sumit, and today we are going to talk about safety audit.
One, two, three, come on!
Now we will see definition of safety audit. Safety audit is a systematic means you have to do it step by step. You can't jump from step 1 to step 10. So it's a systematic, independent. It's not dependent on anyone, right? Independent. It should be independent. It should not be influenced by management or related to employees or anyone in the company. Systematic, independent, and critical examination. Critical examination means you have to give your best. You have to look out for every defects or hazards related. Okay, critical examination of what? Safety activities. Safety activities, of course, we are talking about safety audits. Safety activities and related result. Obviously results is important whenever you do some activity. Related result to determine whether they comply with the planned arrangement, and at the end you have to see that whatever you have done in a systematic manner, independently manner, and critical examination, it should determine whether they comply with the planned arrangement. It should be done as per the plan. Now, it should aim at evaluating the effectiveness of all matters related to safety. Everything that is related to safety will be evaluated here in safety audit. Now, R&D, such as R&D, research and development. Second is design. Third one is occupational safety and hygiene. Fourth one is environmental control. Fifth one is research. Fifth one is product and public safety. Next is emergency procedures, training, housekeeping, and personal attitudes. Now we will talk about types of safety audit. Number one is basic audit, or you can say self audit. It's done by the management of the same company. And the second one is professional audit. It's done by the external agency. In basic audit or self audit, you will think that there will be some bias or influence of the management, but in professional audit, the bias and the influence of biased and the influence of management will be at a minimal, right? And the accuracy will be more in the professional audit. Now we will see the elements of safety audit. Number one is leadership and administration. Leadership and administration means about management, right? Second one is training, how you train your workers, employee. Third element is inspection procedure, means whether you are following the procedures or not, whether you are following the checklists, you are preparing checklists to avoid accidents. Fourth, emergency preparedness. You should be prepared for the emergency case. Next element is rules and regulation. You should follow rules and regulations as per the laws and regulatories act. Next element is group safety, meeting and communication. There should be meetings and communication, right? Next, inventory of critical job and job analysis, right? Inventory, stock of what? Critical jobs and job analysis. Community education, community education. Next is documentation, right? Next is investigation of accidents and incidents. You have to investigate, and at the end you have to documentation. These are the elements of safety audit. Safety audit is similar to financial audit, right? In financial audit, where financial statements, your transactions, profit and loss are being audited, right? Suppose you want to start a business, right? Before starting a business, you should take care of three important things. That is, number one, efficiency. Second, profit. Profit is the main thing. And third one is safety. Okay. Now, a management would not accept financial statement, right? Financial statement unless it being audited by some financial system, financial procedure, right? Unless it's being audited, our management would not accept that financial statement to be accurate. Similarly, safety audit. I assume everyone must have heard about this word, safety audit. Why we do safety audit? Again, we relate this with our business. The three pillars which I have just talked about. Number one is efficiency, second is profit, and third one is safety. Whenever safety will come, safety audit will be there, right? Now, as we all know that when you start a business, you think about profit, right? But in business, the guideline is that it's not about the profit, but it's about the decrease the losses or prevents the loss. So business is all about prevention of loss, not about profitization. Okay. So same as financial audit, safety audit is also important to ensure efficient profit and safe way. So it's being audited, right? That's all for today. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.